The Furusiyya Art Foundation was created by Rifat Medat Sheikh Al-Ard, a Saudi national that was inspired by the glories of Islamic civilization when, as a teenager, he went to southern Spain and he saw the monuments of Seville, Cordoba and Granada. One of the masterpieces of the Furusiyya collection is this war mask, made of brass inlaid with silver in Iran in the 16th century. It wouldn't have actually been worn in battle. It would have been worn only on a ceremonial occasion. At the center of the forehead is the Shahada, the Muslim creed, really enforcing the divine protection and the divine right of the warrior who wore this mask. This gem-set dagger and its remarkable sheath were made in the Ottoman court in the late 16th century. Designed by the court jeweler to the Sultan, they are outstanding examples of craftsmanship, not only in their design, but in the lavish use of precious stones. This is considered to be one of the finest weapons in the Islamic world. It was made in the Ottoman court in the early 16th century for Ahmed bin Hersek Khan. The craftsmanship is outstanding. It shows the influence of Iran in Central Asia. On the blade, executed in gold, we see the dragon and the phoenix in combat. This is one of only 3 known surviving armors from the Mamluk period. It was produced for a warrior who rose to the rank of Sultan of the Mamluk Empire in the 15th century, and it bears his name and his titles. The size of the armor tells us that Inal was more than 2 meters high, a remarkable height for the period. Signs of wear tell us that he wore the armor while on horseback.